Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best At Bome Rapid Test is probably one of the most crucial tools for quick and reliable health assessments, offering peace of mind and immediate insights into your well-being, making it an indispensable item for proactive health management in today's fast-paced world. Number 5. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right at home. Join millions of families who trust our tests. We've delivered over 1 billion tests nationwide, ensuring peace of mind. This test is FDA 510(k), cleared for convenient self-testing. No need to send samples to a lab, results are immediate. Stay informed about current variants. Our test is designed to detect multiple strains of the virus. Testing is simple and comfortable with our non-invasive nasal swab. Instructional videos are available if needed. Suitable for individuals aged 2 and above. Adult supervision is recommended for younger children. What we like? This option is a reliable choice, trusted by millions and capable of detecting multiple COVID-19 variants. It offers an easy and non-invasive nasal swab experience. If you are looking for a widely used and dependable test that can keep up with evolving virus strains, this is a great pick. What people say. Easy to use and read results. Accurate results when used correctly. Convenient for at-home testing. Number 4. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Discover a more complete picture of your health and explore your origins with our at-home DNA test kit. Get over 100 personalized genetic insights. Understand how your DNA may affect your chances of developing certain health conditions and optimize your wellness routine. You can also learn if you're a carrier for inherited health conditions. Gain actionable, science-backed insights to take control of your health journey. Make informed decisions and proactively manage your well-being. Collecting your DNA is easy and painless with our simple saliva kit. Just spit in the tube, mail it back, and receive your personalized reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Your genetic data is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with enhanced security measures. Go beyond health and delve into your family tree. Explore your unique ancestry and understand where you come from. What we like? This product provides a comprehensive picture of your health and ancestry with FDA-authorized reports. It uses a simple saliva collection method, making it very easy to use at home. If you're curious about your genetic predispositions and want to explore your heritage, this is the ideal choice for a deep dive into your personal health. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results. The design is user-friendly, making the testing process straightforward. The rapid nature of the test allows for quick detection. Number 3. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get reliable results in just 15 minutes, right from the comfort of your home. No need to send samples to a lab. Testing is easy and comfortable with our non-invasive nasal swab. Simply insert it 1, 2 to 3, 4 inch for quick results. Optional instructional videos are available on our app. This self-administered test is suitable for individuals 15 years and older. Adult collection is required for children aged 2 to 14. Our mobile app allows administrators to easily monitor and track test results for groups at schools, work, or events. Each test kit comes in independently sealed packaging. This ensures the safety and hygiene of the swabs and test cards for every use. What we like? This test is designed for ease of use with zero discomfort and features independently sealed packaging for hygiene. A standout feature is its mobile app for managing group testing. If you need to test multiple people for an event, school, or workplace, this offers convenient group monitoring. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results. The design is user-friendly, making the testing process straightforward. It functions reliably, giving clear and understandable outcomes. Number 2. 23andMe Plus Premium Advanced Ancestry and Health DNA Test Kit. Discover over 100 reports and exclusive features with a 1-year membership. Gain advanced insights into your health and trace your heritage like never before. Understand how your DNA influences your health predispositions and learn about carrier status for inherited diseases. Optimize your wellness with personalized genetic insights. Dive deep into your origins with a comprehensive ancestry breakdown across thousands of regions. Trace your maternal and paternal lines and uncover your Neanderthal ancestry. See your ancestry timeline and connect with ancient figures through historical matches. Find relatives and build your family tree using your genetic relationships. Your genetic information is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with enhanced security measures. Utilize science-backed insights, including FDA-authorized reports, to take proactive control of your well-being. Make informed decisions about your health journey. What we like. This option offers advanced genetic insights, including unique pharmacogenetics reports, for a full year. It builds upon core health and ancestry features with exclusive content. If you're looking for in-depth, personalized genetic information and proactive health planning, this premium service is tailored for you. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results. The design is user-friendly, making the testing process straightforward. The rapid nature of the test allows for quick detection. Number 1. Hygiena UltraSnap Surface ATP Test Device. Get reliable test results in just 10 seconds. This allows for quicker decisions and improved hygiene monitoring. Our patented snap valve technology keeps your sample secure on the swab. This ensures accurate testing without compromising the sample before activation. It features liquid-stable chemistry within the snap valve bulb. This unique design provides consistent and accurate results every time. Using it is incredibly easy, just swab, snap, and squeeze. This straightforward process makes sample collection and activation simple for anyone. We are committed to sustainability. All of our ATP test devices, including this one, are 100% recyclable. What we like. This device delivers rapid results in just 10 seconds and features a patented snap valve design for reliable sample collection. Its liquid-stable chemistry ensures consistent accuracy. If you need quick and dependable surface hygiene monitoring in a professional setting, this is the go-to solution for efficiency. What people say. The test is very easy to use and provides accurate results. The design is user-friendly, making the testing process straightforward. It offers reliable detection of the virus, giving peace of mind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.